Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crystal charged water. Here you can see I've already kept a bottle of water. I'm not going to use a plastic bottle because of the sunlight. You're going to keep it under the sunlight. So plastic normally brings out chemical and all that. So I'm going to use a glass bottle. And now I'm arranging all my crystals around the bottle. Now I'm going to leave the bottle with the crystals in the sunlight. Here I've added on my tourmaline crystal onto the lid. Now the crystal charged water is done. Here you can see bubbles in the bottle, which you can see now. So once it's done, it's ready for drinking. And that is how I do my crystal charged water. If you like this video, do click the like button, and for more videos, please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.